a lot of comments on your videos are majorly like that. She's gone to the show Rise and Fall and just talking about sexual life. ये है वो है ऐसा है वैसा है, and you know people say that she's made a mudda that this is my sex life, this is it. I've seen a lot of comments like yaar it's so bad that you call it a selling point to somebody. So what's your reply to all the trollers?
I don't think I've spoken about my sex life at some point.
In general, like people say, you know, that like Arush came in between and then he talked, and you would, of course, your point was to elaborate him that how
Yeah.
it looks like, how things are actually.
So जो भी चीज़ें थी, आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव स्टार्टेड एनीथिंग. जो भी स्टार्ट हुआ था आरुष के साइड से हुआ था. मैं यहाँ पे खुद को ऐसे मुद्दा बनाने के लिए खड़ी नहीं हूँ. मैं तो बस वहाँ पे गेम ही खेले थे, वैसा मुद्दा निकल गया. तो जब मुद्दा दूसरी ओर से निकल रहा है तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं अच्छे से बात करूँ उसके बारे में, क्योंकि मैं कम्युनिटी को भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे.
You would have taken offense the way he started talking initially, but you were very you know, keen to listen it properly and then answer it in a way that it goes, the message goes clearly.
Definitely, because if this were outside the show, if some person were to come and talk to me like that, I would hammer him. I would definitely hammer him, but in a show, I also understand that he has a huge following. So along with that, me setting an example for his fan base as well makes a bigger point and a bigger change.
And then he became friends also.
Yeah.
That's how the life is
Yes.
about. Who is that one person you'll never be able to stand by from the show? You got somebody like that?
I think from what I know of Arpaz, but I don't know how he is in real life. But
He's a good guy.
He's a good guy. Then no one. I love everyone in the show. Everyone loved me as well. One back. So
सबसे close कौन है आपके दिल के?
I think Akriti, Arush and Arjun.
All A.
All A's. यहाँ ये show में बहुत सारे A's थे for mad in fact. So yeah, like आकृति के साथ भी starting में मैंने उसे दोगला बुलाया उसकी गेम प्ले के लिए, but उसके बाद भी जाके जो हमारी बॉन्ड बनी as friends and just two girls hanging out together doing each other's makeup or hair. So that was a really sweet moment, and we plan to meet after the show as well.
Anyway, wonderful.
Yeah.
Before going to the show and after coming out of the show, who all did you call?
I've spoken to Noreen and
After you got out of the show?
yeah, after I got off the show. And Noreen के साथ भी अच्छे से catch up हुई, call पे बातें हुई. And we discussed how it was like, जो हमारी strategy थी show के अंदर, why she was chosen to get nominated. तो वो सब clear की बातें, and we plan to meet as well. So बहुत अच्छा wholesome moment.
And before the show, किसको call किया था? Did you call anybody like that?
No, but there were rumors of Naindeep calling everyone.
Oh, I didn't know it.
But
He didn't call you, but
no, not me. We didn't speak. I didn't speak to anyone. So मेरा जो news भी था about me being on the show, it came out once I went in the show. So
Yeah.
there were no leaks from my end.